Smoked chicken tastes amazing, but that skin, soft, rubbery, pale, everyone smokes it. Nobody fixes it. Today, we crisp this skin up, easily, with 2 cheap tweaks. Start with the thighs, bone in. Trim the excess skin, just the loose flaps. You want skin that wraps the meat, not skin that hangs. Then the torch, a few seconds. It burns off the leftover feather stubs. Clean skin crisps better. Into a plastic zip bag, the cheap IKEA one, olive oil, a glass of rosy wine, a splash of balsamic vinegar, Mediterranean rub, SPG rub, salt, pepper, garlic, and a few drops of Worcestershire. Wine and balsamic, that's the Italian move. Americans reach for sugar, we reach for the bottle. Massage it, make the marinade grip every fiber. No vacuum sealer here. A vacuum bag pulls the marinade in faster, less waiting. I don't own one, so I just push every bit of air out as I seal it. Same result. It only needs time. Into the fridge. Overnight. If you're still here, you're a legend. Hit subscribe and drop a comment below. Night's gone. Fire it up. Traeger Pro 575, 110 degrees, low and slow for max smoke, hickory pellets, for a deeper, bolder flavor. Tweak one, and nobody does it. While it heats, the side dish. Potatoes, sliced on a mandolin, 1 to 2 centimeters, onto a tray. Olive oil, Mediterranean rub. Now a small rack over the potatoes. The chicken goes on top. So every drop the chicken loses falls onto the potatoes. An Italian never wastes the fat. My balcony, my regal. Close the lid. 1 hour, maybe an hour and a half. Probe the core. 65 to 70 degrees. So far we built flavor. Smoke, marinade, juice. But no crunch. Now we build the crunch. Tweak 2. Off the Traeger. Into the kitchen. No cast iron here. A cheap non-stick pan and a knob of butter melting. If you do own cast iron, do this step right on the grill. Lard or clarified butter work too. But not everyone keeps those at home. Butter is enough. Skin side down. Careful, it spits. Burn risk. Press it flat. Listen. While the skin tightens, the potatoes finish. Oven, or like me, air fryer. A few minutes for extra crunch. Now look at that skin. Amber, glass, sizzling with sprezzatura. The test. That crunch, the skin is glass, the inside still juicy. Every aroma from the marinade is right there. And the potatoes? They drank the drippings. One night, €2. Simply spaziale.